Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today is January 2nd, 2026. We bring you very serious and important development from across South Sudan. These stories are touching on security, peace, justice, leadership, and the life of ordinary citizens. In this report, we will talk about new fighting and military claim by SPLA-IO. Second, we'll talk about a strong message from a church leader calling for peace ahead of the 2026 election. And third, we'll talk about the release of prisoners in northern Barghazal. And finally, we will talk about a growing legal battle between a school and a county commissioner over unpaid salaries. These are not just headlines, they are stories about people, families, teachers, youth, and the future of the nation. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with SPLA-IO claim capture of Yuai and Nadapal. We start with breaking security news. According to the report, the Sudan People Liberation Army in a position known as SPLA-IO has announced that its forces have taken control of two important towns in South Sudan. According to their statement, these towns are Yuai in Jonglei State and Nadapal in eastern Equatorial State near the Kenya border. In a short message released on Friday, the SPLA-IO spokesperson, Colonel Lampol Gabriel, say their forces attacked government military positions and took over bases belong to the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF. According to the SPLA-IO spokesperson, in his word, Yuai and Nadapal have fallen. He explained that SPLA-IO fighters overrun the SSPDF base in Yuai and the military position in Nadapal in eastern Equatoria. At this time, the SPLA-IO has not shared full detail about how the fighting happened, how long it lasted, or how many people were affected. They say more information will come later. However, as of now, the government army has not officially responded, and independent journalists have not confirmed the claim on the ground. This means the situation is still unclear and developing. Why this town matters? Yuai in Jonglei is not just a small town. It is a strategic area in Jonglei State and has seen violence many times in the past. Nadapal is also very sensitive. It sits close to the South Sudan-Kenya border, making it important for security, trade, and movement of people. Any fighting in this area raises serious concern for civilians living nearby. Let's look at the impact on civilians. Whenever army groups fight, it is ordinary people who suffer most. Families are forced to flee. Children stop going to school. Market close and food become scarce. Even when claims are not confirmed, fear is spread quickly. This fighting comes at a time when South Sudan is already facing economic hardship, political tension, delayed election, and local conflict in many states. As this story continues to develop, Changfied News urges all parties to protect civilians and respect international humanitarian laws. Let's move on to our second top story. Whether Kir win or not, peace matters most. Should leaders speak? According to the report, as South Sudan moves closer to the 2026 general election, concerns are growing about political tension and possible violence. In response, a senior church leader, has spoken out clearly and strongly. Bishop Charles Alfred William, the caretaker of Christ Church in Nakasongola and general overseer, addressed the media and the public with one clear message: peace must come before politics. Speaking at a press conference, the bishop said that election should not divide people and it should never return the country to war. He said whether President Salva Kiir win against, or whether Salva Kiir Mayardit win again, or another leader is elected, what matters the most is peace and unity in South Sudan. The bishop explained that despite facing challenges in recent years, the church has chosen to remain peaceful and cooperative. He said the church has no conflict with the government and believes that faith institutions, political leaders, and communities must work together, not against each other. In his word, the church and the government are one. We invite all South Sudanese to join us in peace. One of the strongest parts of his speech was directed at young people. He warned that youth are often used by politicians, pushed into violence, and left to suffer the consequences. He said, young people are the leader of today and tomorrow. Do not allow anyone to use you to destroy this country. The bishop also spoke directly to those carrying weapons. He asked them to put down their guns, choose dialogue, embrace reconciliation. He reminded everyone that war cannot build a nation, only peace can. He ended with hope and prayer, calling on all citizens to enter 2026 with calm heart, open mind, and commitment to unity. This message comes at a critical time and reflects the fear and hope of many South Sudanese. 80 inmates freed in northern Barghazal. Let's move on to our third top story. Now we move to northern Barghazal state, where a positive step has been taken in the justice system. Authorities have released around 80 inmates from Awil State Prison, which has been suffering from serious overcrowding. This happened after a New Year visit by the state governor, Charles Duta Cole. According to officials, many of those freed were women and juveniles. Most were ill for minor offense. Some had been in prison for years without trial or sentence. The State Minister of the State Minister of Gender and Social Welfare, Teresa Akir Malwal, confirmed the release. She said she personally witnessed women, young boys, young girls being released. She described the situation as unlawful, and she explained that some inmates were arrested for 3 years without judgment. She promised to return the review. She promised to return and review more cases. The state police spokesperson said releasing prisoners during holiday is long-standing tradition. However, civil society group say this action is more than tradition, it is necessary. Local human rights workers welcome the move. They say releasing inmates restore dignity, reduce sufferings, and give people a second chance. They also stress the importance of community acceptance, reintegration support. South Sudan justice system still faces major problems, including long pretrial detention and weak legal process and overcrowded prison. This release is a small but important step forward. Let's move on to our first top story. Balit School and County Commissioner head to court. Our final story today focuses on education, accountability, and leadership. In Balit County, Apanal State, a serious dispute has erupted between Balit Secondary School and which is Balit Senior Secondary School, and the County Commissioner Joseph Deng. The school has announced plan to take the commissioner to a court. What caused the dispute? According to the school administration, teacher and staff are owed 40 million South Sudanese pound in unpaid salaries. The money has not been paid despite repeated requests. The commissioner allegedly refused meeting. The school say it has now exhausted all local options. The school accused the commissioner of corruption, misusing teacher names, collecting funds from NGOs and donors, failing to pass money to teachers. They claim money was received from NALUP and the Red Cross, but teachers were not paid. They also accused the commissioner of harassing teachers, ordering arrests, denying accommodation. The commissioner has strongly denied all accusations. His office said the claims are false. There's no evidence. The accusations are meant to damage his name. He warned that legal action may also be taken against those spreading false information. Both sides are preparing for court action. This case raised serious questions about teachers' welfare, transparency, local governance. As education suffers across the country, unpaid teachers remain one of the biggest challenges. Today's stories remind us of one thing. South Sudan is at a crossroad. War or peace, disunity or division or unity, corruption or accountability. The choices made today will shape the future. At Changfied News, we will continue to report responsibly, speak for the people, promote peace and truth. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth news and analysis. Biagamal Guasame Changfied YouTube channel, ban right the corner, Lodroden code, a link ban a kalinkel. Ban riketin corner lat Corodian, Rewika South Sudan, Tikon Keri Pony, Tishop Kongwan, to ban a linkel, Kakan Reponity. Kan Konun Yam me Jiramajid Guasame, go again or Jen, there is subscribe, could notification bell, there is a twine, Komicha Tegamichi Barigua, Shamala Shubiki, and a banajeto. And Wale, a Jen Shang. Raude ka paikel ronkin dangro jan dangro de bakel jo mi ambalin gwase me rol mi chala ta kuma SPLA-IO kuma SPLA-IO chikala do nene chikan dor shal ka Yuai ka jongle chikana kep ka chikan Nadapal ki Eastern Equatoria chikan ka kep ko kur Sudan People Liberation Army in a position men chal ka SPLA-IO chikan jo chikana lat kare jam eno nene chi force dien ki de niken chikan Rek dangro to bomb chicken a kebre week South Sudan. Reg mo a Yuai town ka jongle state. Dordodian Michel Gana Dapal case to Equatorial state. Ka border dun Kenya. Ala Kenya border Kenya South Sudan. Ka joma chalat ka Friday a kuma SPLA-IO spokesperson Kuna Lampol Gabriel Shela wonene a Jenny chicken weir toy kana cap. Ka joma chalat a Jenny Yuai kana Nadapal have fallen. Chelado nene she dene SPLA-IO she can base ni ning dene SSPDF la goten kono tiketin la gari soniken she can ka cap she ka SSPDF base and ka Yuai can a military position kana Nadapal chaga kebeken so che jome che jelat ka social media de Ramadan and like spokesperson ke Ramdala la kalat ke kuma SPLA-IO a report kan me kan kuma SPLA-IO kan kala no a ping munindi chi test ni ano ki ping munindi taka border ki en korche taka tana dangdi kan lad ba chikalam jen wo chicken base ni chicken ga cap kan kuma maraika ki kuma SSPDF tele respond ki jom chicken tup ka ta danan cha la do cha base ni ken cha ga cap mene diala ko ken tele mishalat ba kuma SPLA-IO chicken jom chicken tup ka social media chere mangai kona me kur mi chitu ko dong cha kume cha je joitin chikana mala report the same thing mi kuma SPLA-IO mi cha ga jojba chikana right la gur kono bunyin ken lat bitka yen ta dan to mu nyodo chi kuma SPLA-IO chicken kuma SSPDF chicken ga joj ka ken besne dang roditi cha jaw mo cha jalat man bi anga jene Yuai awajen a strategic town ki win very important ka kuma SSPDF Gwase dan me ngai kondiale me chala no Yuai tet ka kuma SSPDF shi GSSPDF tilo jen te tedalong but ka kore chukuma SPLA-IO en walle ka joma chalat ne baka wa CSS PDF chaka jure which ka Yuai generate didalong cherek witin ko kenden quantity de ni SS PDF ten but ju cha ju keme wa ko chaka jutin wa cha control de ni SPLA-IO pin Dr. Riek Machar Nadapal bojana wa South Sudan Kenya border mi wa very important ka security ka kan trade ala Kenya gatka kan do budana jelna ka je so ma chaje kevno akume SPLA-IO and winimi you the jeno biname batake impact ka kume dum South Sudan kor mi chena me mi chalat ka chora lat antama mi che kon ngadi no chikorche to wala economic la beja kanyok be political tension bejeno anyok be ta lat ke jeno ba ko inkwar ba jala ke jema be jago be delay jome chalat kume SPLA-IO chikan Yuai kana kap kana Nadapal ki Eastern Equatoria wana kalera rawde chala do nene miti kirma yadi cha win kai election ke kana win ke election gurga jeno de malder tin te ga jilwa ko teacher waj ajen jawden banlen gwasme ngai kon dialan wo ke ronkin dangro jandangro bakle te kontine ba queen kwar ba jalat keja te ga jom chagulat gwasme a senior church leader kika raja jojen wo nena wun mishala Bishop Charles Alfred William ajira mdana ke ataka Christ Church mitaka wuji chalka nakasongola ka general overseer ken kika ke media publicly ka tada na len ngardin keja kan la do nena gwadul committee tin ke press conference mi kan lat no queen kware tiak de no queen kware kene na chede ka which acha jalo chre ko cha jo ma cha jala de kan chigan kulu wenena whether president self came yadit cha win ke kana win ke je take new leader michiban cha gwano dong da na de kan mal de kan pal ke da which da roda da galo de dispute da tin kala no chan ke ke jian ba wi kwam ba gwano bene di albuga del te kamal kamachi pass ni kire nyogba ngoda bo bene di albukan kir bi kan deal accept joma je kana top je kan la do nena akana let kan ka kwiko de mal der bere ka South Sudan akani ne to kona ngaska kus kene kume let kan kel telaring la tuog mele na kel ko ne di algor kene mal kelo yala no mele na kel la ti di ala kana go kala di ala kontin la gap kitin choy kana la ka mala solve millet kume kene choy kel cha jo mo cha jala de ken but chigen kula do ne ane de kona ngani chikala no ke cha use a politician a message mu ke ngani wa ngani kene de content ta kalung de la mala use ke politician ba ko mo ke yo ke ba mo ke kwak bogro de no nakan tongmi kay yo ne de content la kwar ditin la dong tele mi nyot ke gwa mi mo ku ngani ku kene liu ja ga jogo no nene ye cha use a politician ye cha jago bi anyin kam no kun ye cha jago yen bo bi alo chuch keritin konem be mugorana ran let awe dul gorka to ko ken leda to dongi tek dar woni am kaje ran chu kora radi ran cheter jomo chalat ajanta dana chalat ke jeno chi bishop baje nyo raje no nene ane dial content ka pan to goal akalat ka mechpin chalat do put down your guns ajana kwa choose ni dial ke raje reywich no ajeno bi amar bi ajeno kam kun ko bu South Sudan bela nation mi takamal chikan jomo chikan la no no jokane dial no ka jaron kin dangro jandangro bakale me alo dial pal ka rodian pin sher dial gorno bi mal be bere ka South Sudan char jomo cha jalat ekenetin content re lo ko damo la radio den gwasmen banaling chala do ne cha ne ti cha yen ti ko jandang badak cha ka loin ka nosen bargazal kanozen bargazal state chala do ne cha step rodian cha jale no kwanya ken ko chikane di chop ko jan badak tela inmate kene ti rate gen ka will state wa chikan ka loin rate gen tandien kene to wa kamen rudian kamen ka tandien dong ne de nakke ne te ka duere dit no but jakularo chikane te duere dit wone these people were tin duere kan ga duere dio je ka minor offense munune o ka duere to chi ga duere serious ne but chaga pardon ne ko la kwar winimi jagalu nyen tama ka jowo dana chalat ka jen ron kindangro jandangro bakale me ne de chalun kamen kana gare tiene ke gwar nyet cha jomo cha jalat ka gorjen wodi yene lingano kane ya pele ka new year ne me agenda na gorno de nyaga konkel mi jira mi jidit gwasme ka Changfied YouTube channel gorjen wojin deri channel deri support deri subscribe ka de notification ba ler je twan mi che tekeler mi che berech da chwa mala shube kiji no chuje pero jono jin be share be like ka be comment ka jen channel me en ban je ka le rodien ya tega mal bye bye